So growing flowers from a seed can be a very rewarding experience, and some flowers grow faster than others. So here are some of the fast growing flowers you can consider growing in your garden. So first of all, I've got a seed tray, and we've got some compost, and we've got some core. And we've got 2 parts compost, 2 parts core, and 1 cup perlite. So I'm just mixing it all together, breaking up all the big clumps, because this is quite clumpy, this one. It's quite damp. So I'm going to just fill up this tray. Here we go, firming it down. We've got a nice mix. I'm also going to use a pot. And we've got a pot here. And I'm just going to fill this pot for another one of our seeds. So we'll show you what seeds we're going to grow. Well, we've got 7 lots of seeds, but I'm not going to do this in one tray. I'm going to do 1 in a pot. So I've got 6 seeds I'm going to do in this one tray. So I'm just going to do some drills in this tray, and we're going to plant them in a drill. 1, 2, I've got a trusty drill pen. 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 6 drills, and we're going to sow our seeds. So the first one we got is marigolds. This is French marigolds. These are going to go well with the tomatoes, and they're going to go in drill 1. Just going to go down just that one line. There we go. That's our marigolds. The marigolds are vibrant bloom, and they can flower in as little as 45 to 50 days. So I'm going to get my label. That's marigold. The next one I'm going to do is some sunflowers. And sunflowers, depending on the variant, they can bloom within 70 to 100 days. I'm just going to put those into a pot. 4 or 5 in that one pot. And we use our label. So that's sunflowers. The next one we're going to do is nasturtiums. So nasturtiums, this is mahogany jewel, easy to grow, hardy annual. So these are really colourful flowers, and these can bloom within 35 to 50 days. These are big seeds. I'm just going to place them in drill number 2. That's nasturtiums, and they're great for attracting the pests, so that's great for the garden. Next sign. So the next one we're going to do, zinnias. This is elegant sunshine mix. And zinnias can bloom in as little 60 to 70 days. And they can go in drill number 3. That's Zinnias. You got any more? No. Yep, a couple more. So that's drill number 3. And that's Zinnia. So the next one we're going to do is Alyssum. And sweet Alyssum, fragrant flowers, can bloom within 60 to 70 days. And we're just going to pinch a few of these. They're very small, and they're going to go down this drill. And that's Alyssum. The next one we're going to do is Calendula. So this is also known as pot marigolds. And these can flower within 45 to 60 days. And they look like dried fingernails. So they're going to go in this way. And we put our label. And then the last one we got is Cosmos. And this is Santana Mix. So Cosmos is a daisy-like flower. And these can bloom in 65 to 70 days. And they will last right through to the first frost. Keep deadheading them. And they just keep coming back. And a lovely, lovely flower. So these smaller, slightly smaller seeds, and they're just going to go in this row on the end. And that's Cosmos. Put the seeds back in the packet, so we know what they're doing. Label Cosmos, and then with all these seeds, just going to give it a light covering of compost. There we go. And then we can keep an eye on these. So let me know in the comments if you've grown any of these. If you've had good success, that'd be great. Foaming them in. Going to give it a water. This is going to sit into the greenhouse. You can put a lid on top, a glass lid, keep it a bit warmer, and then hopefully the Cosmos will look like this when they're all done. So let me know in the comments, what have you grown?